Vietnam Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error. 1. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat, open Steam library, right-click Hell Let Loose, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Browse, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe as administrator, select Hell Let Loose, click Repair Service, restart your PC. Number 2. Verify game files, open Steam, right-click Hell Let Loose, select Properties, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. Launch the game again. Number 3. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run Easy Anti-Cheat's setup.exe as administrator. Select Hell Let Loose. Uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Install Easy Anti-Cheat again. Restart your PC. Number 4. Check Easy Anti-Cheat service. Press Win+R. Type services.msc. Press Enter. Find Easy Anti-Cheat. Open Properties. Set startup type to manual. Click Apply and OK. Restart your PC. Number 5. Check Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Open Protection History. Check if Windows Security blocked any Hell Let Loose or Easy Anti-Cheat files. Restore legitimate game files if they were quarantined. Add an exclusion only if you're certain the file is legitimate. Number 6. Run System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run SFC scanna, wait until the scan finishes. Restart your PC. 7. Reset network settings. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run netsh winsock reset, then run ipconfig flush DNS. Restart your PC. 8. Clear Steam download cache. Open Steam. Go to Steam settings. Open Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache. Sign back into Steam if required. Launch Hell Let Loose. 9. Update Windows and game. Install all available Windows updates. Make sure Hell Let Loose is fully updated. Update your graphics driver if an update is available. Restart your PC after updating. Number 10. Reinstall Hell Let Loose. Uninstall Hell Let Loose from Steam. Restart your PC. Install the game again. Verify the game files after installation. Launch the game as normal.